Hey everyone, we're the Blockchain Education Network. We're here for Blockchain Madness 2017. We have U of T representing Canada and Berkeley and Wake Forest representing the US in the championship match. We also have with us John Barrett from Bitcoins and Gravy and singer of Ode to Satoshi and the Crypto Song, here to ask the team some questions before the game. So John, whenever you're ready.
All right, guys, thanks for having me. This is Ben. This is the Blockchain Education Network, a global network of hubs raising awareness for blockchain. This is Blockchain Madness, my first time here. I'm very, very excited, guys. As Michael mentioned, we have U of T, University of Toronto, representing Canada, and we have Wake Forest and UC Berkeley representing the nation of California, or rather representing the United States of America. Blockchain Madness 2017. This is the championship match. These guys are vying for, fighting for, battling for 1 Bitcoin. Very exciting, man. I wish I could be in this. I could use a Bitcoin. So let's talk to the teams really quickly. Wake Forest, let's start with you guys since you start with a W. Tell me about your team. How many people on your team? And just a really quick rundown of you know, who you guys are, real quickly.
Yeah, sure thing, Michael. Yeah, so we're the Wake FinTech Club here at Wake Forest University, located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I am the almost ex-president because I'm a graduating senior. Ted here is going to be the new president, and we have Rob over here who is going to be the VP and handles our 220-person mailing list. So yeah, we've given introductions in the past. You can find us at wakefintech.club, and you can read everything we have to write about blockchain at articles.wakefintech.club, which is our Medium subdomain.
Nice, nice. How about the University of Toronto? Hit it.
Hey, John. Stefan here. I started the U of T Decentralized Stack Association in 2014, and we soon joined the College Cryptocurrency Network. Been involved with Ben ever since. My teammates are George.
Hello.
The one in the shadows there. He is Sherbert in this chat.
I'm Shogo.
And yeah, that's about it. I got a mine behind me just for everyone.
Nice.
If you have any questions, feel free to throw them at me.
All right, all right. And then UC Berkeley.
Hello, we're representing Berkeley. My name is Max. We have here with us and John. Yeah,
we also have an organization, Blockchain at Berkeley. We do consulting, education, research, and development. Really active in the space. So
yeah. Come take our course, blockchain.berkeley.edu/DECAL.
Hey, that sounds pretty tempting. Hey, so guys, before we begin, a shout out to MLG Blockchain for powering the madness today. And I believe now Michael Gord is going to take it from here. And so as you all know how to play the game. But for viewers who are not familiar, players all take turns asking questions, picking questions. And Michael, take it from there, please. You're an expert on this.
Cool. You guys all ready to start?
Yep.
All right. Can you see my screen?
Those are all the answers, man. That guy in the shadows, man. Is that for anonymity? What's going on over there?
That's you, George.
All right, so once again, we're the Blockchain Education Network. We're a global network of people that raise awareness for blockchain in our regions, and we host global events like Blockchain Madness to bring the regions together. This is the championship match of Blockchain Madness 2017. We've got U of T, UC Berkeley, and Wake Forest in the first three-way championship match. And with your host, John Barrett from Bitcoins and Gravy. So you guys know the rules. You'll have turns. You'll take turns asking questions, and if you get the question right, you get the number of bits. If you get the question wrong, you lose the number of bits. You can't have less than 0 bits. So if you have 0 bits, you can guess without worrying about losing the bits. with 3 people, or with 3 teams, I mean, the way that it'll work for switching questions is the team, if a team gets the question wrong, the team with the fewest points will get to go next. There are 3 disruptiles. You guys know what happens there. And there's one last chance where you'll be able to bet up to the number of bits that you have for the last question. Do you guys have any questions, or are you ready to get started?
Good to go.
All right. Can one of you guys flip a coin?
You guys want me to flip the coin for you? I've got a Morgan silver dollar here.
Awesome.
I'm going to flip. I flipped. Who calls it?
Yes, one of the teams call it out.
We're
Okay, I'm
heads.
flipping. Here it goes. It's been flipped. Call it.
Berkeley is heads.
It is heads.
All right, Berkeley, you guys go first. Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Yeah, history and scandals for 500.
All right, history and scandals for 500 bits. According to Vitalik Buterin, what non-technical reason has impacted the implementation of Ethereum Metropolis? All right, and let's see the answers. U of T says nothing. Wake Forest says testing before match. And Berkeley also no answer. The correct answer is the recent Ether price increase. Interesting. Whoa.
And there's a schematic to show you exactly how it works, ladies and gentlemen. Michael, who goes next?
Now it's the, I guess, Wake Forest is next on the game board. So Wake Forest, let's get
Hey,
it.
Michael, can I read this next question?
Yeah, for sure.
I have few joys in my life. This will help me out. All right, so what are you guys going to choose? Current events, technical, or?
Unmuted. Yeah, so we're gonna actually go with current events for 500.
Current events for 500. Good choice, young man.
Thank you.
All right, let's see here. And the question is, once it comes up on the screen for me. I'm not seeing the question. Sorry, Michael.
It's on my screen, like the.
Right.
Right.
Okay, here's the question. Current events 500 bits question. Which widely used software has recently allowed attackers to use smart appliances on a wide scale to mine Bitcoin?
Botnets, says Berkeley. Mirai, says U of T. And Mirai, says Wake Forest. And the correct answer is Mirai. Wake Forest and U of T get 500 bits.
Good
John, you
job.
want to take it from here? John?
All right, University of Toronto.
Let's do technical for 500.
No, it's Wake
no?
Forest. Wake
Oh,
Forest
okay.
again.
Oh, it's Wake Forest again. I'm sorry, Michael.
My bad.
Let's do, what do you say? How about current for 400?
You guys get that?
Yeah.
Current events for 400.
All right, we have a just up question here. So pressure, you guys have to answer this question. If you get it right, you get the bits. If you don't, you're gonna lose the bits, but you do have to answer the question. All right. On April 1st, Vitalik Buterin announced that the location of DEFCON 3 has been moved to which location? All right, time's up.
Cancun says Wake Forest. North Korea says U of T, and Cancun says Berkeley. The correct answer is North Korea.
Woo!
And U of T gets 400 bits.
Woo! Nice job.
John, do you want to continue with the questions and like all of it now?
Sure. Yes. Okay. Who's next?
Switches to U of T now.
All right. UT.
Oh, wait, never mind. Switches to Berkeley now. My bad.
Oh, UC Berkeley. What are you going to choose?
Wake Forest lost. Yeah, they all won.
Wait, isn't it us because we just answered it?
No, it switches to the team with the fewest
Okay.
bits.
Never mind. Okay,
Yeah, is a score right for that last question?
Yeah,
How does Wake Forest have a 500?
they got the history and scandals question right.
No,
Oh,
you
they-
have to update the score because it's the old one.
They didn't lose.
Exit and
True, they
reload.
lost 400 bets.
Yep, it's there.
It also doesn't show up immediately. Like you need to exit out.
Oh, okay. All right.
Hasn't blockchain yet. We need 4 more confirmations.
Current events 400.
All righty. Let's see here. So current events for 400.
Another just up question.
Mm-hmm.
So same thing. You guys have to answer this question.
Pressure's on.
Wait.
All right.
Wait,
Here's the question, gentlemen.
it was the same. It was the same question. Let's get another question.
Okay, let's do history and scandals for 400.
Scandals for 400. Ooh. All right.
John, it's in my screen.
All right. History and scandals. 400 bits. Can't see it. Sorry, buddy.
If you click on my screen.
Right. Okay. Which ICO raised 125,000 Ether in less than 48 hours, but promptly afterwards, one of the 2 co-founders left the project and another withdrew a massive amount of ETH from the ICO. That was 37,500 Ether, 30% total. And your answers.
Match pool says U of T. Match pool says Wake Forest. The correct answer is match pool, and both teams get 400 bits.
Good job, guys.
Wait, what about Berkeley?
And Berkeley didn't answer. All right, U of T, you guys keep going.
Do you guys want to pick a question, George?
Let's do technical 500.
Technical for 500 bits. Here's a question, guys. What are the 2 recently discovered vulnerabilities which allow attackers to crash Bitcoin Unlimited and or Bitcoin Classic nodes?
No answer from Wake Forest. No answer from U of T. Are these the same? I think they're not the same, but Berkeley has no points, so no changes there. And now it's Berkeley.
We definitely got half of it.
Okay. I'm cool with that. 250 points to Berkeley.
All right. Do technical?
Sure, that's fine.
Technical 300.
All right, technical for 300 bets. Another disruption.
All right, so this is madness halving. So this question will be only half of the points is what it was supposed to be. All right, let's go to the next slide. So it's a 300-bit question, but it's only going to be for 150 bets. So the question is, UTXO of a Coinbase transaction cannot be spent or used as an input for how many blocks? Again, this question is only for 150 bits. Time's up.
100 says Berkeley. 100 says U of T. 100 says Wake Forest. The correct answer is 100.
Awesome. All of them get
All teams
150
get
points.
150 bits.
Yep.
Nice job, guys.
And Berkeley, you guys keep going when you're ready.
Berkeley, your turn.
Yeah, 300 history and scandals.
History and scandals for 300. All right. Where was the first Bitcoin ATM launched?
Vancouver says Wake Forest. Vancouver says U of T. And no answer from Berkeley. The correct answer is Vancouver, Canada. Shout out to Canada. Also where I am at right now.
Oh, nice.
And now we switch it over to Wake Forest for the question, whenever you guys are ready.
Sure, Rob, you want to pick this one?
Yeah, let's do current events for 200, please.
Events for 200. All right. Which country's mint is currently testing a blockchain-based gold trading platform?
England says Berkeley. England says U of T. And England says Wake Forest. The correct answer is England, the United Kingdom. All teams get 200 bits.
Nice job, guys.
And Wake Forest, when you guys are ready.
Okay, yeah, I guess we'll do current events for 300.
Current events for 300. All right. Which Hyperledger project focuses on building blockchain apps specifically for mobile?
Iroha says Wake Forest. The correct answer is Iroha. 300 bits to Wake Forest. This is a close game.
Cool. So we up on the chart here.
Yep.
Great. Are there any 500s open? I can't really see them because they're blocked by the Google Hangouts thing.
No, it's just 100 and 200s.
Okay, we'll do history and scandals then for 200.
History and scandals for 200. All righty.
Ooh, another disrupt question.
Another disrupt question.
Triple whammy. So this question is triple the points. If you get it right, you get 600 bits.
Oh man!
Okay, so this is a good opportunity.
Wrong?
Yeah, you lose it.
Ooh.
So be careful. This is an opportunity to get back Berkeley and the other teams. But yeah, if you answer wrong, you're gonna lose 600 bits. All right, can we go to the question? What has been one of the reasons hindering the adoption of SegWit, which allows for a possible 20% reduction in Bitcoin mining costs? All right.
Wake Forest says flexible transactions. U of T says ASIC boost. Berkeley says ASIC boost. The correct answer is ASIC boost. Berkeley and U of T get 600 bits. Wake Forest loses 600 bits. And Berkeley, it's your guys' turn.
Yeah. Technical 200.
Technical for 200. All right. What consensus mechanism does Quorum implement in its permissioned version of Ethereum?
No answer from Berkeley. No answer from U of T. No answer from Wake Forest. Correct answer is Raft. And Wake Forest, it's your guys' turn. 3 questions left.
We'll do technical for 200.
There's only technical for 100 left.
Oh, right. That's what we just did. We'll actually do we'll do current events for 100.
Current events for 100. The DAO and Slockit founders recently announced they are going back to working on what product?
U of T says Charity DAO. The correct answer is Universal Sharing Network. U of T loses 100 bits. All right, and Berkeley.
Guys, my internet disconnected. Was U of T the only one who answered?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Technical for 100.
Technical for 100. After how many blocks does the mining reward have for Litecoin?
All right, no answer from U of T. Actually, wait. 840,000. 84,000. And the correct answer is 840,000. And U of T gets 100 bits. Wake Forest, you lose 100 bits. And are you guys ready for the last question?
Yes.
All right. What was the code name of the first Ethereum Live release?
No answer. Homestead says Wake Forest. Frontier says U of T. The correct answer is Frontier. 100 points to U of T. Wake Forest loses 100 points. All right, now you will all have the opportunity to put down the number of bits that you want to bet on this last chance question. Let us know when you're ready.
This is the part where fear and greed take over. Potentially.
All right, you guys are ready? All right, good. I think they're all ready.
U of T bets 0. Wake Forest bets 650. Berkeley bets 1,200. Let's see the question.
All
One
right.
last chance. Here's the answer. All right. Wow. So that's good that the question didn't work. I guess either way though.
That's funny.
U of T would have won. So congratulations to U of T for winning Blockchain Madness 2017. Woo! Congrats to Berkeley and Wake Forest for making the championship match.
Thanks for the game, guys.
And shout out to John Barrett. It was great to have you involved in this.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Had fun.
Thanks, John. Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Great match, everyone.
Thanks, guys.
U of T will reach out to send you your Bitcoin.
Cool. Sounds good.
What's up,
What are you
Hayden?
guys going to do with your winnings?
I was thinking we were gonna donate them to Ben.
What?
We'll decide. We'll decide. After.
Wow. That's cool.
Maybe some club
Use Bitcoin.
State Education Network. That's a good cause, guys.
Yeah, that would be nice. Airdrop funds.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But yeah, I'll reach out to you guys to get an address to send you to.
Thanks, Michael. Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah,
Thanks, guys.
everyone for contributing.
Hope you guys have fun.
Good job, guys.
Hope to have all you guys back next year.
Look at my support team here.
Celebrate.
Here, do that once more.
Do it once more. We can do it again. All right. See you guys.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Thanks again.